A plugin is a piece of code in the form of an extension that modifies and enhances the core functions of WordPress. One of the advantages of using plugins is that they are very easy to use. You only need to download and install them on your website, and with that, you can modify the functionality of WordPress as you wish. Furthermore, if you want to undo the changes, it's as easy as deactivating the plugin, and WordPress will return to its original state, making the process of adding or removing functionalities very convenient for your workflow. There are thousands of plugins available for WordPress, both free and paid. Free plugins have the advantage of not costing any money, but they have the disadvantage of frequently becoming outdated and disappearing. If that happens, your website will lose the functionality that the plugin added, and that's not good. That's why, except for specific cases like WooCommerce or Rank Math SEO, using free plugins to create a long-term website is not the best option. On the other hand, premium plugins are usually the most recommended option, as they are more established plugins with a community behind them and offer greater security that they will continue to be updated over time. Additionally, premium plugins tend to be better made, with better code and better functionality. All of this means that premium plugins are a better option if you want to build a professional website for your business in the long run. If you want to access the best premium themes and plugins for WordPress, with updates included and unlimited installations on as many domains as you want, visit LibreNetworks.com. You'll find the link below in the video description.